Welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how do you start a word process. Now in this particular tutorial I'm focusing on Microsoft Word as our word processor, and therefore how do we start Microsoft Word. So the first thing we need to understand that I'm using Windows operating system, and therefore in order for me to access the computer programs I need to go to the start button. So the start button is the button at the bottom left of your screen. So you click on that particular button and then you type here word. Just type the word word. So the moment you type the word word, you can go to see that that application pops up with the version of that particular program. Now you click on open so that you can go to access all the features of that particular application. Now, we have got many templates here, but I'm not going to concentrate on these templates. I'm going straight to the blank document. So I click on the blank document, it will be able to open such a window. Now, our next objective is to understand the interface, the Microsoft Word interface. Now, at the top here, we have what we call the title bar. So what is a title bar? A title bar basically display the name of the active running Word document. So, for example, you have said you're going to save your document as an example. So that name is supposed to appear here where they're saying document one. Yeah. Now, if you go on the right of this particular title bar, we have got some buttons here that can enable you to execute some tasks. The first one is mainly used to show and hide tabs and ribbon. So in case you want to hide or show tabs and commands, there is need for you to be able to click on any of these particular option here. So if you say auto hide, automatically it will disappear. Then when you talk about show tabs, it will be able to display the tabs alone. And then show tabs and commands, it will be able to show you the tabs plus the commands down there. Now going further, we have what we call the minimize button. So what is the role of the minimize button? It reduces this window, the Microsoft Word window, into an icon in the taskbar. So this is the taskbar down here. So in case you want to reduce this into an icon, you click on this sign. So you can go to see it is reduced. And how do I bring it back? I just click on that icon to bring it back. Now you continue. Here we have the restore stroke maximize button. So basically in this case, it is able to allow you to go back to the previous size of your document, of your screen, the previous size of your window, Microsoft Word window, or it can also allow you to stretch your Microsoft Word window so that it can go to fit the entire screen. And finally, we have exit button that allows you to close the program. Now on the left hand side, we have what we call the quick access toolbar. So this quick access toolbar, they give you access to some of the commands that you can go to execute in Microsoft Word quickly. For example, you have this command that allows you to save the document or update the document while you're typing. We have the undo button that takes you back to the previous action, and then we have got the redo button that allows you go back to the current option. Down here we have got the menu bar. So with the menu bar, basically it gives you a list of options that the user can be able to interact with, and in each and every menu option we have what we call the standard ribbon. So this standard ribbon basically is a list of commands that the user can be able to select from. A user can be able to select from these particular commands. Now going further, in each and every option here, we have got those options. You can go to see the list of commands that appear. It's quite different from the previous one, and that is exactly how it has been programmed. Going further down here, we have what we call the rulers. So rulers are here. We have got the horizontal ruler, and then we have the vertical ruler. What is the role of the rulers? Basically, it shows the positioning of text within your Word document. This is the blank work area. The white space here is the blank work area. This is where exactly we are going to type our documents. Now, when you go further, we have what we call the scroll bars. We have what we call the vertical scroll bar, and then we have got the horizontal scroll bar down here. So what is the role of the scroll bars? They allow you to navigate the document top down and bottom and left right. So if you want to navigate your document top down or left right, you're supposed to use the scroll bars to allow you to move the document up, down, and also you can be able to move it left, right. So this is it. And then we go further into the next part down here. We have what we call the status bar. So what is the role of the status bar? A status bar basically displays the word count, the number of words that you typed, the page that you're currently working on, and sometimes it is also going to display to us the dictionary there in that particular space down there. Then at the bottom right of that particular interface, we have got what we call the views. So we have what we call the full screen view, we have got the normal view, then we have the web page view. So these views, they differ in matters to do with formatting of your document, and therefore you should be very careful when you are displaying in any of the views displayed there. Then you have the zoom slider that allows you to adjust the document accordingly so that you can be able to see exactly what is going to happen. So for example, I want to increase my document size to be bigger so that when I start typing, people can be able to see on the other side. So that is exactly how we go about it.